I think there's kind of a magical connection that happens when you're feeding people. We want to be a place where people go there, have memories, and want to come back and experience those memories again. My name is Ethan Stowell. I am the chef owner of Ethan Stowell Restaurants in Seattle, Washington. I grew up in Seattle. My parents were both professional ballet dancers. My dad's big hobby was cooking. My dad would go shopping at Pike Place Market or the Fisherman's Wharf or the Fisherman's Pier. And I didn't know any different. We just always had really fresh stuff in our household. And the one thing that we as a family had to do together was family-style suppers. It's kind of what got me into the cooking, and I knew what I was going to do as soon as I started doing it. I was in the restaurant industry for 8 years, and then I opened my first restaurant at the age of 28. It was called Union. And it was a very high-end restaurant, but then my wife, Angela, and I started spending a lot more time traveling, and one of the places we really enjoyed going was Italy. And we just loved the culture, the food, the style of service. And so we decided to open up Tavolata. Italian food, in my mind, is just very casual food that's all about the ingredients. It's not about the presentation. It's really about making sure there's something delicious and fresh in front of you that people can enjoy without having any kind of pretense or attitude behind it. I love the combination of the natural raw ingredients of the Northwest and mixing with Italian sensibilities and Italian ingredients. And I can't wait to bring my Seattle on board Holland, America. I'm excited to be on the Culinary Council. All the other chefs are highly successful chefs, and I'm looking forward to getting to know them, and hopefully I can teach them a thing or two, but I'm really expecting me to be the recipient of the knowledge. The thing I've seen about cooking on the ships and also being a guest on the ships, I've seen the culture being a very positive culture. They all want to make people happy, and they're doing it with a smile on their face. That's definitely the best foundation you could possibly have. And if we can add amazing Northwest ingredients to it, a lot of magical things can happen. And above all, we're going to have fun with it.